Welcome back to the channel. I have decent roller shades hanging in my living room, but they are manual, and I have two separate ones hanging in front of the sliding door. I always wanted to upgrade them, and since SmartWings reached out to me, we are now able to do that. We are going to use Matter over Thread, and you'll see everything in this video. To help us in our choices, we had 3 different booklets, and they're all with different fabrics and stuff like that. And we went through all of them, and they're really good. You can hold them against your window and check out which one you want, and then you get a form with that helps you how to measure. And on the website they have a calculator that can help you put your millimeter measure or metric measurements into inches and get the right size. Works really good. The website is really easy to navigate, and if you go to roller shades, I went to roller shades, light filtering, and we wanted the essentials. And if you go to how to measure, there's this tool that helps you go from millimeters or centimeters to inches. In my case, 2.70 was 106 and 1/4 of an inch. So after measuring and ordering everything, I need a better knife. We have the question of today. A, I need a new knife. B, sharpen my knife. Or C, start working out. Leave your answer in the comments below and we'll get back on that. As I said before, it's well packaged, and in normal handling this won't be damaged. Inside we also find the extra things I ordered, like the remote control, we find a holder to hang the remote, some screws, batteries, and the remote itself. This is a 5-channel remote with a nice clean design. I like it. Next we find some booklets containing instruction manuals and a programming guide. Next we find a DC charging cable, and this is rated for 5 volts with a length of 3 meters. Next we find another charging cable, but this one I ordered especially because it has a magnetic Type-C head. Then we find some screws, plugs and adapters. I also ordered a solar panel to charge one of the 2 roller shades. It has 2 adhesive strips on the sides you put this on your window and then put the USB-C type cable into the roller shade. This way you should not have to charge your device ever again. And finally we have the roller shade itself, well packed. The material looks really nice and the frame does feel sturdy. If you ever lose the QR code, there's also one here. I'm doing a quick inspection until I find the mounting brackets. I really like these. Sturdy, slim, easy to mount, and just click on. And after all this, it was time to start the installation. We start by removing the old ones and prepare the small one with the solar panel. I didn't want to stick the solar panel to my window, so I created some brackets to make it float behind the roller shade and some smaller brackets to lead the wire from the solar panel to the device. Eventually I ended up with sticking the solar panel to my window and only using the brackets to lead the wire. This is because the brackets were interfering with the roller shade. This took me a bit over an hour, but that was because I had to take shots in between and it was my first time doing this myself. Besides the normal remote, we also have the Helix dial remote, and this looks really sweet. Not only does it look sweet, but I just found my new toy. And after a few hours of playing, it was time to charge it and connect it to Matter. In this case, I'm using the magnetic USB-C cable and a power bank just to see how much it draws, and it's about 4 watts. And so I charged it to 100%. And after 3 weeks of daily use, it still is 81%, so I expect it to last for a few months. In Home Assistant we go to Matter, Add Device, but we forgot something and we have to enable the device first. So we have to hold down the button to activate pairing. And when the red light is on, we know it's ready to pair. So we go back to Home Assistant and choose Add Device. It's a new device, and then scan the QR code. Then give it a name and continue. Now we can select the area of where the device is and choose Finish. Now the devices are available in Home Assistant and we can do anything we want with them. They appear as climate entities and you can use the slider or the buttons to put them in any position you want. You can also use the 0, 25, 75 or 100% buttons, and you can use them in any automation you want. For me, I use them in combination when the sun sets or rises. For my wife, this is the most important tool in the house right now. I really like the way they look and they function really good. The noise levels are low and the battery life is good. I want to thank SmartWings for providing these roller shades and sponsoring this video. And if you also want to know more about these roller shades, link will be in the description below. As always, a special thanks to my Patreons for supporting my channel. If you also want to support my channel, please leave a like and consider to subscribe. You can always reach out and contact me. But for now, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.